Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Outlook.com website, if you're using Outlook apps on your phone, on maybe your PC, tablet, anything, and you've noticed that a lot of emails seems to not synchronize or work. I had a long period where no emails were coming in through my phone, and noticed that suddenly about half an hour ago a ton of messages appeared at the same time. Microsoft acknowledges that there's an issue with their Outlook and that something is just not right, and they're trying to find out what. And that also goes to Outlook on the web. So if you want to go to sign in to your Outlook account and try to get your messages, you might notice that that doesn't work necessarily. The login works. You can actually go into your email and everything, but you might not see the emails come in. So, and if you, like me, also have multiple boxes, mailboxes that come through this, you will notice that no messages might be arriving since yesterday or for many hours at a time. So this is a problem that is known. They're trying to find a fix for now, so it should be going through. I don't know if the fact that I just received a few moments ago tons of emails at the same time might tell me that it's either fixed, or if it's not fixed, at least it was working for that little time. But it is an issue right now, so just be patient. Things should be coming back to normal at some point, and it affects every Outlook users, from the Outlook apps to the Outlook.com website, everywhere. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.